We want to find a power series representation for this particular functions, x squared over x to the fourth plus 16. So notice that we have to do some manipulating the function so we can obtain something, for example, this function right here. So what we have, we're going to have to factor out the number 16. So first, I'm gonna take the 16 out. So I take out the x squared as well. So on top we have 1. On the bottom I have 1 plus x to the fourth over 16. Now we're gonna rewrite one more time. So it's gonna be x squared over 16. Inside the parenthesis I have 1 over 1 minus negative x over 2, and we raise to the fourth power. So now you see right here, okay, that's what we need to write in the series. So what I have is x squared over 16 sigma from 0 to infinity, and I have the negative x over 2 to the fourth to the n power. Now we're gonna rewrite one more time. So if I rewrite n equal to 0, and then I want to bring in the x squared over 16, I'm gonna have to multiply, and to get rid of the negative, I'm gonna do negative 1 to the n power x 4n plus 2 because of that 2. So I add that 2 in over 2 to the 4n plus 4 because 16 is 2 to the fourth power. Now we're going to check for conversion. So the series converges when negative x over 2 to the fourth power, the absolute values, less than 1. So if I simplify it, I should get x over 2, the absolute values less than 1. Solving for the absolute values of x, I get absolute values of x equal to 2. Therefore, r is going to be 2. And then the interval of conversion is going to be negative 2, 2. I want to find the power series representation for this function f of x equal to x over 7x squared plus 1. Notice that the center is at x equal to 0. So first of all, we have to rewrite the function. So instead of having x over 7x squared plus 1, I'm going to take out the x. And then on the bottom, we have 1. And then on the bottom, we have 1 minus negative 7x squared. So what I have is the x outside, and then I have the power series, negative 7x squared to the n power. Now I'm going to bring in x. So, and to take care of the negative, we have negative 1 to the n power, 7 to the n power, and x 2 to the n. But then I have the x outside, so I'm just going to add 1. All right, let's take care of the interval. So what we have, the series converges when we have negative 7x squared, the absolute values, less than 1. So if I solve it, I should get x squared absolute values less than 1 over 7. Now I'm gonna take the square root. So x should be less than 1 over square root of 7. So that's gonna be the r. Okay? And then the interval of conversion is going to be negative 1 over radical 7 and then positive 1 over radical 7.